Can the Reliance Nippon Life lifelong savings plan provide the financial security and peace of mind you desire for your family in the long run? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand what this policy is about. So this is a non-linked participating individual savings life insurance plan, and some of the key features of this policy are there are two plan options available, which is standard cover and extended cover. Upon maturity, you will receive the base sum assured along with all guaranteed additions and bonuses. You can opt to pay premium for 10 years, which is the limited pay, or throughout the policy term, which is the regular pay, and premiums can be paid annually, semi-annually, quarterly or monthly based on your preference. A loan facility is available during the policy term to address unexpected financial needs. You can also enjoy tax benefits on premiums paid and benefits received as per the applicable income tax laws. Now let us take a look at the benefits available under this plan. So during the policy term, for both cover options, the death benefit is equal to the sum assured on death plus the vested reversionary bonus plus the terminal bonus if the policyholder had any. So this death benefit is subject to a minimum of 105% of the total premium paid till the date of death. After the policy term, which is only applicable for the extended cover option, the death benefit is equal to the base sum assured. So the death benefit is subject to a minimum of 105% of the total premium paid till the date of death. So if the policyholder unfortunately dies during the policy term or after the policy term in case of the extended cover option, these benefits will be given to the nominee or legal heir as a death benefit. Now let's move on to the maturity benefit. So maturity benefit is something the policyholder will receive once the policy matures. So here the policyholder will receive the sum assured on maturity plus vested reversionary bonus and terminal bonus if the policyholder had any. Here the sum assured on maturity is the base sum assured plus all the guaranteed additions payable. So under the standard cover option, that policy terminates at the end of the policy term on payment of the maturity benefit. But if you have opted for the extended cover option, then maturity benefit is payable at the end of the policy term, and the death benefit, the life cover, also continues even after the expiry of the policy term till death, that is for the whole life. So these are some benefits. Another is guaranteed additions and bonuses. So guaranteed additions are calculated at a simple rate of 4% per annum of the base sum assured at the end of each policy year during the first 5 policy years. Simple reversionary bonus will accrue every year starting from the 6th policy year till the end of the policy term, and for all policy term, terminal bonus, if the policy holder had any, will be payable on death or maturity from the 9th policy year onwards. So these are some of the benefits available under this policy. Now let us take a look at the advantages and disadvantages of investing in this policy. So a loan facility is available under this policy of up to 80% of the surrender value as an advantage. Riders can also be added to boost your coverage. High sum assured discounts are applicable on premium, and tax benefits are available as per the prevailing tax law. So these are some of the advantages. Disadvantages are the product offers relatively low returns. Once a plan variant is chosen, it cannot be changed during the policy term, so the sum assured is insufficient. So these are some of the disadvantages of investing in this policy. Now, as we have a basic understanding of this policy, let us now move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to evaluate the potential returns of this policy, which is the internal rate of return IRR, using the data from the policy brochure to help make us an informed decision. Let us consider a 35-year-old male who has selected the standard cover of this policy with a base sum assured of 3 lakhs, which is the guaranteed addition of 660,000. So the policy term and premium payment term of 15 years with an annual premium of 23,823 rupees. So by paying regular premium, the policy holder here will receive the maturity benefit at the end of the policy term. So the projected returns here are based on the assumed investment rate of 8% and 4% per annum, which indicates best and worst case scenario, just to give you an idea of how this fund can perform in a best and worst case scenario. These assumed investment rates of return are just assumed. They are not guaranteed or not reflective of the potential maximum or minimum returns this policy can give us. So what the policy can give us is actually based on the actual fund performance, actual policy performance. So at the 4% scenario, this policyholder receives a maturity benefit of 4.02 lakhs, resulting in an IRR of 1.46%, which is lower than the interest rate of a savings account. At the 8% scenario, which is the best case scenario, the maturity benefit is just a little bit slightly higher than the worst case scenario, like 4.78 lakhs with an IRR of 3.56%, which is below the interest rate offered by fixed deposit. As you can see, in the both scenarios, these returns are lower than what most debt instruments provide, making this policy for a long-term investment uncompetitive, especially when inflation is considered. So for a 15-year policy term, the returns are insufficient to build the corpus required for a long-term financial goal. Additionally, the sum assured is too low to offer significant financial protection for a family. So as a result, this plan falls short as an attractive investment option. So now, as this policy is not giving us the desirable outcome we need, what we are going to do is we are going to approach or see whether an alternative investment approach can give us better returns that can actually outpace inflation. So if you compare these returns with other investments is essential for making a better informed decision. Okay, so if you can see, the main issue here is that combining insurance and investment, because the bundling of these two components is the primary reason for the low return from this product. So what we are going to do is, now the same premium can be used more effectively by separating life insurance and investment in an alternative investment approach. Like, it's advisable to choose a pure term life insurance policy with sufficient coverage until your working years. This option offers affordable premium, allowing you to invest the savings to achieve your financial goals. Before selecting investment products also, it's important to assess your risk tolerance and time horizon to achieve your financial goals. So for example, if you're a high risk investor, you can opt for equity based instruments like the ELSS fund, while low risk investors may choose debt instruments like PPF. These alternatives actually provide you with better flexibility and better return, which the Reliance plan lacks. So in the benefit illustration of the Reliance policy, you can see the sum assured is lower than the minimum threshold set for a standard pure term policy, that is the Saral Jeevan Bima plan, which is mandated by the IRDAI. So the Saral Jeevan Bima plan, if you take a look at it, offers only life coverage with a minimum sum assured of 5 lakhs and a maximum of 25 lakhs. There is little value in selecting a plan with inadequate coverage like the Reliance policy. So overall, the Reliance policy provides you insufficient life coverage and returns that fails to keep pace with inflation. By separating life insurance and investment, you can actually secure adequate coverage and better achieve your financial goals. So what is the final takeaway from our analysis? Is it worth investing in the Reliance Nippon Life lifelong savings plan or not? As you can see, while the features from this policy may seem appealing, it comes with higher premium. However, life coverage beyond your working years is also unnecessary, as your retirement corpus should take care of your post-retirement needs. This makes the extended cover in this policy a drawback, as it increases your cost premium without any significant benefit. Additionally, this policy offers relatively low return for such a long-term investment. So the combination of inadequate life coverage and subpar returns makes this policy unsuitable for both insurance and investment purpose, and it also has a high agent commission. So it's better to avoid investing in this policy. So it's essential to keep your insurance and investment separate. To secure your family's future, opt for a pure term life insurance policy with sufficient coverage available at much lower premium. And to achieve your financial goals, invest in a diversified portfolio tailored to your risk tolerance and time horizon.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.